In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite in Grafana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose the right access for the people you're inviting to your workspace. Start by opening Grafana in your browser and signing in to your organization's workspace. Once you're on your dashboard, look toward the top right area of the interface. That's where Grafana places quick actions related to your organization and user management, so it's the fastest way to get to invitations. Click the invite option you see there. This takes you to the members area for your organization where you manage who has access. From here, choose the button labeled Invite New Member. You're now on the invitation form, which is where you'll enter the details for the person you want to bring in. Type the person's email address carefully. This is the address where Grafana will send the invitation, and the person will need to use that email to accept and join your organization. A quick double check can save time later. Next, select the role you want this person to have. Grafana roles control what someone can see and do. Viewers can look at dashboards and data without making changes. Editors can create and modify dashboards and panels. Admins can manage settings and users across the organization. If you're unsure, start with the least access needed for their work and adjust later if required. Clear roles help keep your data secure and your workspace organized. When everything looks right, click the invite button to send the invitation. Grafana will confirm that the invite is on its way and you'll be returned to the members area. After sending, you'll see the invitation listed with a pending status until the person accepts. This is helpful for keeping track of who's already been invited and who has completed the process. From the recipient's perspective, they'll receive an email from Grafana with a link to accept. They need to click that link and sign in or create an account if prompted using the same email address you invited. Once they accept, their status updates automatically and their role takes effect. That's all there is to it. Open your workspace, use the invite action in the top right, add the email, choose the appropriate role, send the invite, and wait for acceptance via email. With these steps, you can quickly and safely add teammates to your Grafana organization while maintaining the right level of access for each person.